Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing levels are good, levels are good. Testing levels are good, levels are good. Levels are good, levels are good, levels are good. Let's see something. Okay, got the VIX over there, Sox S, S triple Q, and the dollar and Canadian dollar pair, I guess. Looks like we're dumping. Oh, let's get back over here. Just trying to let's see if everything working right. Ooh, we dumping, right? Hold up. Let me just go like this. To the top. Yeah, okay. Behind me is the Q's on the 10 minute, but also got the Q's right here on the 1. Alright, so this should look crazy. It's the barbershop shit. You know how when you're in the barbershop and they got mirrors on both sides and you look at them and just keep bouncing back and forth? That's what they remind me of. Yeah, alright. No need to have the preview open. Alright. Well, damn. I mean, started dumping here a little bit. Let's go to the 1 minute, man. See what's going on here. Look, Tesla popping. I wasn't live streaming earlier, but I was saying down here the 232.50s on Tesla. Them shits would have printed. Look, what was down here? We got down to 232.34, right? So on the option chain, it's the 232.50s. Look here, I'll show you. So Tesla. Let me show you. Where's the option chain at? The 232.50s. Damn, them bitches worth $16 now. On the ask, $16.05. So that's $1,600. But earlier when I checked them, they was worth when we dumped right here, and I was looking at them, they was worth $7.60. And now them bitches worth $16. So almost a double up. So they was worth like $7.60. It's 100 times multiplier on that. So that's $760. But now, look how much they were. The 235, the 232.50s, right here. They worth $16.10. So $1,610 basically. I was trading the SPY as usual though. Alright, kill the preview real quick. Oh Lord, we dropped the frame. That shit right here, bro. I'm not finna waste my time streaming if we're gonna drop any frames. There's no need to drop any frames, bro. Unless yeah, there's something nefarious going on. God, is this shit? I don't need this pop filter all up in my face like that. Testing 1 2 3 reject. Alright, let's kill the preview. Alright, yeah, but yeah. I just wanted to point that out. I'm long Tesla, by the way. Full disclosure. It's on my long term though. Alright, so here's the SPY, here's the Qs, here's the VIX. Alright, so we could get some bullishness incoming because look at the VIX. The VIX is wicking to the downside hard right now. So that means volatility is going down. Let's check the 5. Same thing. So the VIX is coming down. Looks like the dollar uh, is coming down a little bit. So that's all bullish. And then if you want to cross-reference that, you can always come over here and cross-reference it. I mean, we can check the S triple Q on the 10. Looks like it's wicking to the downside. So that's another elevating factor. Basically, for the bullish thesis, so it's coming down. That's on the 15-minute though. On the 10, look at that long wick. So that's trying to come down. And then you can also check like a SOX S. I mean, those are my go-to, but there's other bears you can check too. But look, SOX S also coming down. So you got SOX S coming down here. That's triple Q coming down here. And you also got the VIX coming down. So all that is pretty bullish. Oh, and look, the VIX is below 20. I'm sorry, no, this is SOX S. My bad. Got too happy there for a second. But yeah, SOX S coming down. That's triple Q wicking down. And obviously the VIX wicking to the downside. VIX is still above 20 though. So I mean, as long as the VIX is elevated like that, a lot of volatility, or you can expect that the markets will be a little volatile, which is actually a good thing if you're trading intraday, you feel me? Because you want to see some volatility. Look, oh, this would have been the perfect spot to buy the dip out. Look, rinse and repeat in the 575s again. I just missed it because I was trying to crank my stream up, but I was having issues, like some technical difficulties. I was dropping frames. I tried to start at like 2 o'clock, 2:15 or something. So look, if you wanted to go long anywhere, I mean, this is where you would want to go long at. All right, let me just make sure that we're on the right monitor here. Yeah. Let's see if the hotkeys are working. You know what? I got Tesla over here. Let's put the SPY over here. Where the option. All right. So right now they're set on these are the strikes in the premiums for Friday the 11th. I mean, if you want to go out any further, you got to go out till Monday. But I mean, I just don't see. It doesn't make any sense to me to go out till Monday because you never know what's going to happen over the weekend, and then Theta's eating those alive over the weekend, so Saturday and Sunday. So if you're going to go out till next week, I mean, I would suggest you go out to at least Wednesday, Tuesday or Wednesday, but the further you go out, the more they are. So these are the strikes right here for tomorrow. So tomorrow is actually going to be 0 DTE Friday. What the fuck is wrong with me? Like, yo. I stay getting spam. Prank calls. Yeah. Let's see what's going on here. Like I was saying, if there's anywhere you would want to go long at, it'd be down here. Look, up this triple bottom. Look, and it also just happened. Just so happens to be the pre-market low. Right? But, I mean, I don't think they're gonna give us another chance to retest it. I mean, maybe. There's only I mean, we still got an hour left. But look, you sit it here. 1, 2, 3, So when we came down here and tested it and verified that we were not going to keep dumping, the 575s would have been a decent, I think, a decent little play right there. But they would already been in the money. So we wicked all the way down here. Look, the further down we wick, the cheaper they are. So just for, let's say, for shits and giggles, and look, starting to go up. I mean, I'll give them a try if we come back down here and retest it. But honestly, I've been done for the day. Like, I closed my other trade out that I was in, like, off my phone when I went, like, when I was out and about. But remember what I was saying yesterday, right? Check it. I went long, anticipating the break past that. Let me show you again. Let me see something. So yesterday, look, I went long, anticipating the break past this. Where is it? Right here. This triple top. 1, 2, 3. And then the old all-time high was here. 57, 67, 64. So once I seen this coming up here, I went long, but on the SPY. And look, we just ripped and put in a new all-time high. So I guess the new all-time high is right here on the S&P 500. I said the S&P 500 to 6,000 by the end of the year. You feel me? So we got the 57.97, about 5,800, right? Remember yesterday I was saying, yeah, after that break, past all that chop, right here, this is kind of like the same spot, the 1, 2, 3. And then we anticipating the break past that resistance and the all-time high. I grabbed the 575s and rode them up here and got out. And then remember at the end of the day, right? I was like, yo, we've been too bullish. We ran up 2 days in a row. And in order for a trend to be sustainable, like I always say, check something real quick. 1, 2, 3, check. Yeah. In order for a trend to be sustainable, I mean, look at this. It's ripping. Straight up, straight up. I said, in order for a trend to be sustainable, we need to have a pullback. And remember, at the end of the day, around here, I grabbed the 577 puts, anticipating either just a pullback and or a gap down. We got both. Look. Remember, I mean, if you're watching the stream, if not, you can go back and watch it, but it's just chopped up, like, into a couple of different, you're going to have to go catch it to see the entire thing. You got to go to Rumble or something, because it got broken up, because I don't know if I got DDoS or something. But the good thing about Rumble is even if like your stream crashes or whatever, or if it drops off, you don't have to put in a new stream key, and it just picks up wherever it left off. That's what I like about Rumble. But YouTube starts over a whole nother stream. Actually, I never even look. This is what I'm saying. If you don't believe me, go back and watch the stream. I said we've been too bullish. For this to be sustainable, we're gonna have to have a pullback. So after I went long, anticipating a new all-time high, once we got up here towards the end of the day, I grabbed the 577 puts, saying we're gonna have to pull back, and we're probably gonna gap down, and the numbers are gonna be hot. That's why I swung the puts, and I was right on all three. Look, we started pulling back, we gapped down. Look, you can see it. Started pulling back, after hours. We gapped down, all right? And the numbers came in hot. And we got this dump and this flush right here. And then right here, I closed them out. The 577s. And then I went long down here off the pre-market low in this double bottom. I went long, but I messed up like because once we came down here and tested this double bottom, look how early it was. 9:30 here, 9:40. Like I don't really like to put on trades until like 15 minutes into the trading period. But if I would have broke my rules, I would have grabbed the 575s here and printed even more. But instead, I followed my rules and I had to end up getting the 576s. But still, we pushed up and then I could have took profits here and then we pulled back. I held them because they weren't zero DTEs. And then we started running up. And I know I didn't get out at the higher day but I closed them out somewhere up here off my phone while I was driving, going to get some Red Bull. You feel me? So I called that shit out to a T, bro. Right? Called that shit out, bro. Like I said, yo, but I said, don't get me wrong. I want the market to be bullish. Obviously, I mean, everybody wants the market to be bullish if you have a long term. You know what I'm saying? So, but at the same time, yeah, I called for the SPY to hit 600 and the S&P 500 to hit 6,000. But I mean, you have to have some moderation here. You can't just keep ripping. So that's what made me know that we're gonna have to have a healthy pullback. Feel me? It makes sense, right? Can't keep ripping. Gotta have some moderation. So I grabbed them 577s. Oh, I called that shit out to a T, bro. I said we're gonna have a healthy pullback, and we're gonna probably even gap down, and then the numbers are gonna come in hot. And that's exactly what happened, bro. You feel me? Yeah, man. Let me know what I'm talking about, bro. I could have been streaming this whole time, giving y'all the game, bro. Like they keep attacking my shit, bro. You feel me? Let's see what's going on here. The spy is a look. Oh look. Okay, nah. I was gonna say the 575s. Like, you know what I'm saying? Because yeah, we might trend up from here and keep running up, but then you'd have to get the 576s. So it'd be like the same thing I had to do earlier. But if I would have just bent my rules a little bit and just got them 575s here. Actually, this was 15 minutes until the trading period. So I think I could have grabbed them. I don't know. I was watching the 1 minute though. Let's see what it looked like on the one. You know, everything looks sweet on a higher time frame. But when you watching that 1 minute, you feel me? So look, yeah, we opened and yeah, we opened here. That's 9:30. So right here, it's 9:50. So yeah, actually I could have grabbed them. I just pump faked. That's all. I needed to see a little bit more proof of concept or I'm sorry, proof of concept first. That's all. You feel me? But if I would have grabbed the 575s here, like I would have printed even more. But if I would have got them, I probably would have just, when we got here, I probably would have just closed them out. Instead, I just missed them. And then I had to get the 576s. So, oh yeah, once I missed them, I we pulled back, but they wouldn't give me another chance at the 575s. So that's why I had to get the 576s. You feel me? And then I just rolled them up, got out like somewhere over here. I know the SPY wasn't green on the day. But look, dog, look, just play the ranges. Pre-market high, pre-market low. If you notice, we never really broke below that or above that. So again, I always say this, like, it doesn't matter what your bias is, as long as you're just patient and you wait for price to get to your level. I mean, you're either putting on your trades at the top of the page or the bottom of the page. At the top, you're fading. At the bottom, you're buying the dip. We just hit power hour, by the way. Let's see what's going on here. So look, looks like they might actually give us another chance to retest. Let me just see where we're at in the grand scheme of things again real quick. We're still kind of elevated, bro. We're elevated. But again, look, look like they're about to give us another chance here. Depends on how much velocity we come down with. Look, all right. So they about to give up 575. Now, if you think we're gonna flush, we just flushed past the 575 puts. I was gonna say, if you're bearish, you could have been looking at the 575 puts right there as well. You feel me? I'm not trying to take any trades unless it's like A plus setup, bro. Because I'm already up, bro. On the day, bro. Like, I ain't trying to get back no money. You know what I mean? I ain't trying to give none back. Cause already, let's clean up this VIX chart, bro. This shit got too much going on, don't it? Clean this up. I mean, we got through the hurricane pretty good, pretty fine. Our power ain't even go off, bro. I don't even think we lost internet. You feel me? They out there cutting the grass. I wonder how loud that shit is. Let me see something. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Can't even really hear it unless I'm talking. Because I got that noise gate on. Feel it? Hey, look at the VIX starting to pop here, bro. Hey, we might flush. Hold up. Let's try to get some real levels real quick. On the VIX. I mean, it'll be somewhere in here, I guess. 2140. It's off the daily, though. Right here. Gotta keep your eye on the VIX, bro. The VIX and the dollar, bro. And the bears. That's what's gonna help you determine if you're gonna get a reversal or some shit. Look, on the 15-minute too. Let's go to the 10 real quick. Look at all this. 2121 on the VIX. The VIX is elevated, bro. Anytime the VIX is over 20, I mean, it's a good thing. It's a bad thing, but it could be a good thing. Look, the SPY dipped underneath 575. What? I mean, you could have faded, but let's see what happens when we come down here and test this triple bottom down here. Let's get some real levels on the Qs real quick while we're here and shit. You feel me? Pre-market high, pre-market low. The Qs are nowhere near the pre-market low or the bottom of the range. So, I mean, I just I don't like putting on trades in the middle of the page like that, unless it's for a quick scalp. But you can see the SPY is looking more bearish than the Qs are. So I guess the SPY is leading. So if the SPY dumps, the Qs are probably gonna follow it. Because they're all correlated. We all know that. And let's put some type of levels in here, bro. Alright. Let's see what's going on here. Look at Tesla. So look, bro. You could have cut the long on Tesla off this move. Remember what I always say, bro. Whenever you get a drastic move like that, how come I have no volume on the chart? Hold up. Oh, okay. Yeah. Whenever you get a drastic move like that, you're gonna have a recovery. I mean, even if it's short lived, you're still gonna have like some type of just you feel me? So look, it came down hard. Boom. 232.34. And then I think the 232.50s. So right here, you could have grabbed those. You could have rode Tesla all the way back up to the top. You feel me? Like I said, they almost doubled in price. But now look, what's Tesla doing now? Okay. Never mind. That wasn't the end of the Tesla's front side though. 242s? I don't know if Tesla has 242s. I wouldn't. Nah, I wouldn't. Just I wouldn't chase it. I don't even think there's a such thing as a 242s. I don't know. I'll check right now. Oh look, the SPY's catching a bid. Remember what I said? The 575s. But I would have liked. It would have been preferable to see a pullback and retest at this level first. We still might get it. Look, they're selling into it. Well, what do I got on here? I got over here the 9, the 120 and VWAP. So I guess I'm missing VWAP here. Hold up. Let's put VWAP on this list. Nah, I got VWAP. Where's VWAP at? Oh, we're way up underneath VWAP. Alright, I got it. I was gonna say where my VWAP at. Yeah, where's Tesla trading at? So trying to stay front side, but looking like it might go backside here. So the 240s or 242s. Let me make sure I'm on the right monitor here, but yeah, where the option chain is. So Tesla. The 240 puts expiring to expiring tomorrow. 240 puts on the ask 710, $5 spread. Oh, now a 10-cent spread, so $10. You'd have to eat $10 if you want to buy on the ask real quick. That's the 240s. Look. And I mean, if you look at this chart, bro, Tesla dumped, came back and's been topping out for a while. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing starts fading, goes backside and cracks 240. But they just expensive as hell, dog. If you been on the ass, 715 bucks. But these shits swing. I mean, when Tesla moves, it moves. You feel me? I don't want Tesla to dump, to tell you the truth, because I got it in my long term. So, a little bias there on it. I rather prefer the 240-250s. The calls are on this side. You probably can't see it. Let's see something. So look, the 242 calls, 240-250s. Calls are on this side, puts are on this side. So 240-250s. 10-cent spread on those. Why is the spread so wide, dog? 10 cents? The 240-250s. I mean, 240-250s way up here, though. Top of the range. We've been up here. We've been up here before, though. 240-250s right here. But I don't know. I wouldn't put on a trade in the middle like that. All right, let's see what's going on here. Damn, we dropped a couple frames, bro. 189 frames, bro. Out of 100,000, that's not good enough. We catching a bid here. Catching a bid. You feel me? Catching a little bit there. Oh, another thing let's go back to the main screen. Spot. Where is it? Let's check out some news real quick. Top exclusive. Must S. Broad tape. Axel brand shares are trading up. Blue Owl Capital to buy up to $2 billion in consumer loans from Upstart. How is Upstart looking lately? Dog, you don't remember when Upstart was freaking super overvalued? Yeah, look at that shit back there. Look how low it is now, bro. Oh, smokes. You wouldn't believe where this thing came from. Yeah. Look at this. Who's buying 200 billion in shares from Upstart? Look at this. Look where this thing came from, bro. Look at the all-time high on it. 402. That's crazy. Now it's trading at $40. I don't know. Did it just sell off, or did they do like some splits or something? Some stock splits. See what it was looking like on the daily. I mean, the problem with the stock like Upstart is it's pretty much a bag holder chart. You feel me? You know what a bag holder chart is? Cessna just wants to do range check. It's a bag holder chart, bro. So a bag holder chart means it was way up here and it sold off big time, right? And there's people stuck in it from up here when they were FOMOing and chasing it. You know what I'm saying? Some people probably bought all the way at the top, anticipating a breakout. You feel me? Some people probably bought it here, 345. Some people probably bought it fucking, you know what I'm saying, wherever. I mean, I'm sure some people bought like every place on this thing. But the problem with bag holder charts is whenever whenever it tries to bounce, like right now it's trading at what, 40 something? Yeah, 43. So whenever it tries to bounce, like up here, to say if it bounces like it did here, it bounced up to 50. But before that, it was trading at like 19. Whenever it bounced up to 50, people that are stuck in it at 50 or 70 or whatever, they're going to sell to try to get some of their money back. And it's going to prevent it from going up. You feel me? Every time it tries to bounce, they're going to sell. Even here, when it bounced, got to 50, they sold because some people were stuck in it at 70, 72. Or when it bounced here, look, bounced to 160. Some people are stuck in it from 400. That's why whenever it starts catching lift, it's never going to get back there because you got too many people holding the bag on it. And I remember, 'cause I was live streaming a lot back then. Whenever Upstart was super overvalued, wasn't that long ago? Yeah, 2021. Like, I was live streaming every day then, so I knew it was overvalued, and I wasn't the only one. But I mean, I don't know. Down here at these prices, I mean, I think they have a good business model. I think they just lend money out. I think they're a lender, creditor. So maybe as they start to cut interest rates, but the thing is, with the numbers coming in hot today, I don't know. Are they still cutting? Look at this. This might be a long buy signal right here. Look, VIX rejecting off this 2121 going down. Success rejecting off this whatever this is, 1966. Then the S triple Q kind of rejecting. So that might be a buy signal. And then this little dollar and the Canadian dollar pair is sliding. It's pretty close to the regular dollar though. That's why I use it. So that might be the buy signal. But look, ooh, and they gave us another chance. Look, we swung up underneath 575. So you'd have been targeting the 575 calls expiring tomorrow, Friday. Right now, let's see how much it worked right now. Let's see. Actually, let me do it like this. The 575 calls expiring tomorrow. They worth $2.19. But we're above it now. So I mean, you have to be, if you think we're gonna trend up, it would be the 576. The 576s. They're only $1.50, $1.58 on the ask, $1.57 on the bid, 1 cent spread. Or if you think we're gonna fade 575 puts, 155 and 156. And look, if I remember correctly, a lot of the times when the CPI data is hot, the PPI data is also hot. So there's a chance that the PPI is hot too. But look, we're starting to catch some lift here. Yeah, them 575s, boy. Yeah. Most of the time when the CPI is hot, well, I know it used to be like that. When the CPI is hot, the PPI is usually hot too. So if we get hot numbers again we're gonna get another flush like this when the algos go crazy with it. But remember, what I also said, yeah, we've been too bullish. We're gonna have to pull back, and then we're gonna gap down, and then the numbers are gonna be hot. And what I also said is, even with all that and the numbers coming in hot, they're still gonna buy it. And look, they still bought that shit. So I called that shit out like perfect, bro. Like 5 of 5. All right, 5 of 5, bro. I said, look at this shit. Too hot. We're running up too much. We're probably overbought on the RSI. Let's see. Shit. So look, overbought territory. Overbought. Look, we just went overbought. Dipped a little bit, came back up. Super overbought right here. It's at 95 right here, bro. But now, as we've been like, just trading in the range, it's going from overbought to oversold, overbought to oversold, like a normal little chart there. But look, you can even see, look, every time we've been overbought, we faded. Well, no, actually, that was when the numbers came out. But look, when we came back right here, they were traded. Once we got back up to overbought, 75, we faded. So now we're on the lower end of it, right here, where we're like oversold. You feel me? But the RSI is like a lagging indicator. Let me see something. Usually people use the RSI with the MACD. MACD, right, is a moving average convergence divergence. Yeah. Yeah. They use the RSI with the MACD. I don't use all that shit like that, but you mean some people that's how they trade. They just wait for something to be overbought or oversold, and then there's a way to do it. Like, okay, see how we're overbought here, all right, and then when this line crosses over the other line, you feel me, and then you get the bars on the bottom, that's when you fade, and vice versa. So look right here, the orange line cross over the red, and we had these bars on top, which is I guess to go long. I don't use that though. I don't use the RSI and the MACD. I don't even use all this. I mean, I got VWAP on here, and the 120 and the 9. But actually, let me get rid of some of the shit. Get rid of the RSI. Get rid of the MACD. And we're gonna get rid of the 120. Less is more. All I need is VWAP and the 9 EMA. So yeah, I don't know, man. I called it yesterday, perfect. And like I said, if the CPI was hot, the PPI is probably gonna be hot too, bro. To be quite honest with you. Right here, look, we wicked down. You could have got the 575s. We even pulled back. You could have got them again. But now it might be too late. But look, The VIX coming down, but it's still above 20 though. Let's actually watch the VIX on the 10-minute, bro. I'm dropping frames. My stream probably crashed. Damn, I hope it didn't crash my shit. But yeah, like I was saying, I forgot what I was saying. Yeah, okay, so the stream is crashing. I don't know what's going on with it. My data keeps getting fucked with. I'm probably just getting attacked. Yeah. Yeah, the 575s though. So let me see something real quick. Let me see if it broke it up into different sections. Yeah. It crashed. It broke it up into two. So that means let me see. That means I probably would have to restart. Let me see. YouTube. I guess Facebook's still connected. I don't know. Let's see if it's still connected. It sucks, bro. I can't even stream. This is why I don't like trade live and live stream a lot. Because I don't have time to pay attention to this type of bullshit while I'm trading. You know? It's too much of a distraction. That's why lately you've just been seeing me like trade and then come back and try to do recaps. It's not because I don't want to trade live. It's just because it's a distraction. You know? Yeah, here's her frames right here. I keep resetting it though. Go back to the main screen. Yeah. Let's close the preview. Damn, look at this. Tesla just went backside. Just cracked red to green. What wasn't I saying? I was saying I think Tesla might fade. The puts on Tesla are looking good. But that I didn't want to see that because I'm long Tesla. But I told you, the 240s, whatever it was, and look, because look, we dumped, came back, and then we've been topping out since lunchtime. So it's only a matter of time at that point. You feel me? Look, we've been topping out since lunchtime, bro. Just hitting resistance up here and refusing to go up any higher, bro. So eventually we're gonna reject and start coming down. You feel me? Hopefully not all the way back down there. If we do though, it's all good. I'll just average. I'll just buy more. You feel me? I got a lot of dry powder on the side right now. Keep dropping frames, bro. Keep fucking with my shit, bro. They keep trying to clear my shit, bro. Look at this. Ooh, we about to catch a bid, bro. We about to rip. That's what I was saying. The 575s. Look at the spot. Oh, that's on the 5 minute too. Look, what I said, the 575s, man. It's obvious. You got the triple bottom down here, bro. If you're gonna put on a trade anywhere, it's down at the bottom of the page near support. You feel me? If you would have put them on at the right spot, like right around here, you know what I mean? Depending on how many you have, it might not, it might only be like 50 cents. But if you grabbing 10 of them, that's 500. Yeah, cool. Hey, man. Hey, bro. They be harassing the kid, man. Someone get off my dick, man. Get up. I need the sponsorship from Red Bull, bro. Um, Let me see. Cause they crashed my shit. I keep dropping too many frames. Okay, I still see him live on whatchamacallit. Yeah, bro, I'm pretty sure everyone that wasn't in the direct path of the storm is okay, dude. Make sure everything else is working real quick. Keep trash of my shit, bro. Excuse me. Okay. Twitter's working. Let me see. Bumble's working. Oh, I didn't even set up my YouTube right. It's all good. Alright. Uh, let's see if YouTube works. Man, what happened, bro? Yeah, let's say I'm live. I just didn't set my thumbnail and shit because I had to keep restarting it. All right, well, 25 minutes left. Let's go here, man. Look at Tesla. Oh, bro, I thought I said Tesla might fade, bro, like the 240s. Look, and we're gonna go backside. So look, now we're cracking 240. Let's see how much they're worth right now. How much some 240 puts are. Dog, we just dumped, dog. 240. Oh, look, they're $8 now. They were 760. So they went up 40 bucks. You feel me? But honestly, off the open is where you wanted to get them. Oh, we just got hit. Decent. Look, the SPY coming down, the Q's coming down, the VIX. Look, that's how you can. Let me fix this real quick. This is why it's important to watch the VIX. Look, because look, as you've seen, the market starting to look bullish. You see the VIX trying to hold support here. So then at that point, you need to also like look at a couple bears and like the dollar to confirm it. You feel it? So see how the VIX is holding this right here? That's bearish. And then if you want to go like a SOX S, look, SOX S popping. All right. Now, if you think, now if we're gonna get the flush, right? Then look, success needs to break past all this resistance right here. Say right here, and then straight across. Look, 1968. If success can break past that, and then your S triple Q. The S triple Q basically looking like a barcode chart right now. So I mean, but still, if you start seeing it going up, you see how it's been kind of trending up, even though it looks like a barcode chart. So I'd say like right around here. So these are 30-minute candles, but that shit going crazy. So I think the VIX and Success you can get a little bit more out of. They look, Success is trying, but it's rejecting off that. And look, as you see that rejection start to come, you see the SPY and the Q start to pop. And even Tesla stopped fading for a second there. But up here where we're topping out at, the 240s, or if you could have got them right here, could have got the 240, 250s maybe. Could have got the 240, 250s and caught that fade. Definitely would have paid. You feel me? Let's see what's going on up here. So look, the SPY on the 10-minute. And look, 1, 2, 3, triple bottom. And then at the bottom of the page is where you're putting on your trades at. It's just the 575s would have been ideal. Once we're above 575s, you'd have to be targeting the 576s. But at that point, you know what I'm saying, it just feels like a chase to me. Because I don't feel like we have enough time to trend all the way back up to the top of the range. And look, the Qs are coming down. Also got the Qs right here on the 10-minute behind me. But I think I'm blocking it. Honestly, pre-market high and pre-market low, bro. Those are the only levels. And then major psychological levels. Yeah, you can't see it. I'm blocking it. Look. Right here. The Q's on the 10-minute. Right. God damn, Tesla just started coming down decent. Look, the SPY on the 10-minute putting in on some higher lows. All right, I'm gonna put the Q's on like the 3-minute down here, and we'll put the Q's on the 10-minute here so we can have it next to the spot. And then I got the S&P 500 right here. And also, I've been doing a little test. Look, I'm watching futures. So this is the ES Mini, I believe. And then this is the NQ Mini. I'm putting them next to, you know, the S&P 500, the SPY and the Qs, so I can see how they move. Because I'm thinking about getting into some futures. I just need to learn a little bit more about them. That way I could try out the whatchamacallits, like all them damn prop funds and shit. Or they fund you, like if you pass the test or whatever. Shit, that's straight. I mean, I'll try it, but I don't really. I guess it kind of makes sense, but I don't know. I just feel like, why would, damn, Tesla's coming down, bro. So the 240s, bro. How much are the 240s worth now? Let me check for you real quick, bro. Expiring tomorrow. The 240s were 740 now. When I first looked at them, they were 670. So about 80 bucks. Could have made 80 bucks off each one, and Tesla steady coming down. Feel me? That shit tanking right now. What? Yeah, 740, but they were 670. Yeah, that's crazy right there. Oh man, if Tesla don't catch a bid here pretty soon, ain't Tesla having an event though? If they don't catch a bid here pretty soon, I'm gonna be forced to average down. Go back to over here and see if there's anything interesting. Not really. The only thing left is that 10 minutes of terror, bro. And basically that's when all the order imbalances and shit come in. Sometimes that shit moves the market. But look at the S&P 500 on the 5-minute trending up, just putting in higher lows. The futures trending up, putting in higher lows. And then the NQ, I mean, not putting in no higher lows. But it looks just like the Qs. I want to know what the main difference is. Just futures don't have expirations, or like they don't. I mean, I know they have expirations, but not like options, right? Let's get back over here. My bad. Hit the wrong button, though. Shit. We back. All right, yeah, hit the wrong button. 5 minutes of that 10 of 10. Look at this. VIX coming down. Okay. Success hitting resistance. SQQQ hitting resistance. This little dollar Canadian whatever pair is sliding a little bit. So there could be some bullishness incoming. Let's go to like the 3-minute or something. Let's just go to the 5. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, just stepping up. Q's looking kind of weak, right? The Q's fighting with VWAP right now. Why? Yeah. Look at the VIX. The VIX is coming down, bro. Look at Tesla. Tesla will be playing too many games. Look. Now it's going back up. 240 calls. Yeah, if tomorrow wasn't Friday, I'd entertain them. But dog, the ES futures and the SPY. Look at this shit. Putting in higher lows, ripping, not ripping, but stepping up gradually with some moderation, which is what you want to see actually. Look at that. I mean, they kind of look the same, bro. Look, here's the S&P 500. Here's the futures. Here's the SPY on the 10-minute. Let's see what the SPY looks like on the 1-minute. But they all look pretty much identical, bro. So Yeah, I think I can trade futures, but I might look into it. I might get me a prop account to play around with. 'Cause after you pass the eval, you can start taking money out. Look, here's your sign too. Here's your sign that we're gonna get a pop. Look at the VIX coming down, bro. And then the bears hitting that resistance, like I said. Look, one more time. Look, VIX coming down, about to go backside. Stock says hitting resistance. S triple Q hitting resistance. So that's you know what I mean? How you know we're about to possibly catch some lift. And then, matter of fact, look at this. Look, Tesla washed out just as I come back up. Look, that's what it looked like on the 5. Why did we bounce here? 238.50s. Look, now the Q's starting to join the party, and then you can see that on the NQ minis, I believe. I think it's the minis. Uh, expire in December 20th, I guess. I don't know. Look, we just started catching some lift, cuz. There you go. Yeah, man. That's it, bro. Watch the VIX, the bears, and the dollar. And that should give you I'm looking for something to average down on, bro. Like I want some DJT, but like I just can't bring myself to buy any this high up. What the fuck? What was that? Look how high it is now. But what was I saying, bro? I said grab some DJT, right? I've been saying that shit, bro. I've been saying it. Now look at it. Look. It was just at 11. It was just at 11.75, kid. I can't buy it like for twice the price right now, bro. I ain't gonna lie. If we keep moving like this, I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet and buy more. I'm just trying to see if we're gonna get a pullback. Dog, we just popped. Look at this shit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, oh. It was at 10. We got the inverse 10. Look. Look at that. It was 350. We got the inverse 10, bro. Look at that. Look, they hit us with the inverse 10, boy. Look at that. Look, Nvidia near the highs. Meta kind of had a cooling off day today. Look, even no, this is Q's now. Where did I put my Tesla at? Right here. 350. Look, we can see. Let me see something. You can see the increase in volume right here. Look. I said it, bro. The 575s down here off the triple bottom. It's too late now, though. And then, like, again, bro. Cross reference with the fix. Look, resistance, resistance. VIX fading. Dollar pair fading. SPY ripping. Look at that shit. I just didn't think we are gonna have enough time, bro, to start trending back up towards the top of the range. But then again, I mean, if you're getting in at the right spot off this triple bottom on the 570, and you got the 575s here, you could close them out here. You would have made something. Depends on how many contracts you're buying, really. But look at that. It's got some major lift. We're ripping, bro. What the fuck? I mean, bro, what just happened? What? Some data must have came out. Hold on, bro. And look, the VIX is dumping. That's how you know. Now the VIX is now. It's now. It went backside. It's getting close to 20 now. Let's say something, bro. What the hell? FTC DOJ 1,805 transactions were reported under HSR Act. Top news: technology, media, and telecoms. That's on Middle East and Africa. Portfolio manager sees no landing for U.S. economy. Damn. No landing? So not even a soft landing? Just no landing? We're just gonna stay. We're just gonna stay in the air? My first time hearing that one. Yeah, man. I'm gonna get rid of some of this. Let's clear these charts off. Pre-market high, pre-market low. Pre-market high, pre-market low. Those are basically the ranges today. Let's go back up here. Oh, I was on the wrong chart. Damn it. Yeah. Look, pre-market high, pre-market low on the spot. That was the range. Look, could have bought the dip there. Could have faded from there. Bought the dip back down there, back up. That's the spot. Qs, pretty much the same thing. Pre-market high, pre-market low. Buy the dip. Come up here, fade, but we just didn't fade that much. So I guess tech's a little stronger. Tesla, damn. I mean, if Tesla keeps going down like that, I'm gonna have no choice but to average down on it. What's up? What time is it? We got 3.5 more minutes left, bro. We got a nice little pop here on the SPY, the Qs, the S&P 500, futures, both the ES minis and the NQ minis. Meta, not so much. Meta faded. Meta's been doing this thing where Nvidia back up near the highs. You feel me? Like what caused that pop right there, bro? I'm trying to check the news. The broad tape. What about all economic news? Is it this shit? Portfolio manager sees no landing for U.S. economy. Central banks and global economy will know. So I have to click on those. Forex dollar slips against yen after data shows labor market weakness, rising inflation. Yeah. Tesla, nice little fade right there. The 240s would have worked. Nvidia on the highs. So from what I've seen, futures moving just like the overall market basically. I just need to learn the rules of them, like if they have expirations and shit. Like I know they have some type of expiration, but it's just not uh the regular option. I just want to. I'm gonna watch them for a week. Uh, yeah, the futures. And look, bro. Like I said, here's your dead giveaway that the market had the potential to pop right there. You seen the VIX starting to go down and go backside. You feel me? Now if the VIX keeps going and cracks 20, goes below 20, that's when you're probably going to see the market start catching some lift, and the SPY try to make his move up towards 600. And same for the S&P 500. But look at the look at the VIX. Look at the bears. Look at the dollar. Well, okay. So we got, oh, that's it. Market closed. There you go. So we got that inverse 10, bro. Was that a new all-time high? Nah, hell no. But we did put in a new all-time high today, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Nah, we didn't actually. New all-time high uh, still remains in the past. By Q's catching some. Q's look acting like they want to catch some lift just now. Bro, I was on the. Damn. I was on the wrong chart. Yeah. Uh, yeah. So we came up here and hit some resistance. What's that? 576.50? Can't really see it that good. I'm about to get some new monitors though. But this monitor right here is just a TV. It's just a TV screen. But I thought it would work pretty good because it's a 4K one or whatever. But it's not the same. Like I'd rather have regular monitors and be able to sit close up on them, like on a desk. The setup I have right now is just a makeshift. I used to have a real raw setup before, but I just donated everything though to the less fortunate. I started over from scratch. So, but yeah, here's the SPY, here's the Qs, here's the S&P 500. Let's actually zoom out a little bit and see what they did on the day. See if we can gather any information to try to uh, help us out for tomorrow. And let's get rid of these levels. when range bound, honestly, the CPI was hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and expect the PPI to come in hot as well. But it doesn't matter. Like, it's not like they're not gonna buy it. They're definitely gonna buy it. But if we keep getting hot numbers going until the end of the year, I'm starting to think, instead of us getting a serious Santa Claus rally going into the end of the year, we might actually get a sell-off, like on some tax harvesting type shit. And then in the beginning of the year, we start ripping again. Because I've seen that a few times as well in my couple years in the markets. Maybe more than a couple. What's the right word? A couple is two. Several, I guess. It's like what, 2020, I think. Like right before the GME shit started popping off. So whenever that was, let's see. You can always go back and look. That's 2021, January 2021. So yeah, about 2020. I got some time, man. Bro. Definitely not enough though. I need more time. I mean, you're always gonna need more time because market conditions change. You feel me? But they still trading the shit out of the SPY right now. Look at the level 2, bro. But I don't see the tape moving a lot. So I don't know if that's some spoofing or what. But I see the level 2 moving, but I don't see that many orders getting printed. But it's moving a little bit. I'm seeing some decent size. Hold on. Hey. My bad. Hey, I took that Unsolved Mysteries beat and sampled that shit. So what do you think? What do you think? We get the PPI come in hot and we get another flush? If you thought that, then you probably wanted to grab some puts or something to catch that move, because if we get the CPI was hot, if we get a hot PPI too, I feel like if we start selling off, we might actually get a little follow through. But I mean, it's just a dip buyer's market right now, bro. No matter what happens, they're gonna keep capping and buying the dip, dog. Don't trip, dog. Just average down. Wait for us to rip, dog. The market always goes up. Man, dog, long term is so tough. You think you so rough, but you ain't. Yeah, well, that's what it looked like. You feel me? Meta. Look, we didn't get that move on Meta today. Damn, does this thing get any volume? Well, actually, we did. Here's here's 9:30 right here where we opened. We were just wide. The Unsolved Mystery beat, right? And I'm not done with it either. There's only 2 parts of it. I still got like a bridge and shit to put on there. Okay. A lot of y'all probably don't even know what Unsolved Mysteries is. Yeah, look. We got it. Always, bro. Matter popping off the open. So look. What's this? 5, let me do it like this. We'll marker open that right here. Right here. Look, market open here. So it was a pretty wide candle. Look, 586 to 587.90. But look, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the first 4 minutes, we went from 586 to 589.89. No, 589.89. So basically 590. 586 to 590. So basically, what? 580, 586 to 590, a $4 move. Alright. So you could have scalped that, but let me see. What would we have been targeting? Let's see. Right here. 586 to 590. We're in the option chain over here. $586 to 590s. That would have been the calls. So yeah, it would have been the 587.50s. 587.50s right here. So look, when we open up, we wick down here, you get the 587.50s. Wait, no. Yeah, 587.50s. Boom. Followed them up here and got out at 590. Quick little move, first 4 minutes. And then there's a lot of volatility too. The VIX was up. It still is. He probably could have grabbed like I bet just fucking wait, hold on, that's the wrong strike. I mean that's the wrong expiration. You know. Sure. Right. Alright. These are the ones expiring tomorrow. So if you want to go out till Friday, let me make sure I'm on the right chart. Hold up. Yeah. Yo. Alright. If you wanted to go out a day till tomorrow, Friday, 587.50s. They're $2. I mean, they're worth $2.34 right now. Or who knows how much they're worth then. But you could also got the 0 DTEs. No, there was none because it's Meta. My bad. Damn, now Meta closed the day down $6.75. About 1%. A little over 1%. That beat though, I bring that heat though. I'm on the streets, bro. Sliding, ride it, but I'm sliding. Alright, well yeah, that's pretty much it, bro. See something. So where we stopped at. I don't really see a difference with the Qs. Finished the day at what, 492.30s or whatever. Oh, open, close. The high 492.48, 492 and change. Now the NQ, pretty much the same. It looked the same though. Look, the Qs on the 10-minute was basically chopping around, consolidating for the last hour or so. Pretty much the same thing on the futures. And then the SPY. Let's go to a 5 real quick. What the SPY look like. Right there when we came down. I mean, the lows are there, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 575 you could have caught real quick to the upside. What I'm interested in is how similar is it to the futures. I'm pretty much the same. So I just need to do a little research and see, and look, even the same kind of price action. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I just need to do a little research and see the actual rules of trading the futures and shit. Nvidia finished the day near the highs. Maybe I'll finish this beat. I'll finish this heat. Drop something on this. Does this beat bring back memories, bro? Bro, look at this fucking ripping we did. Starting in August. So 2 months. We went from 506 to 577. That's why you gotta have a long term, bro. First. Me definitely, because I don't have time to sit here and trade all day. Got other shit I'm doing right now. Trying to stack as much bread as I can, man. You feel me? You know that makes sense to do what I do, dog. It takes sense. They be trying to copy, but they is so sloppy. Yeah, man. Yeah. Pretty much is it. I'm surprised we ain't dropped no more frames. And I got the ping set on high. But yeah, man, that's it, man. Let me stop this shit. Yeah, you feel me? But anyways, yeah, just wanted to jump on and try to bring some value to the channel real quick. Also, check out my other channels. I got a gaming channel and also a reaction channel. The reaction channel, I don't really have that much content up on it yet, but I'm about to start putting some content up on that. It's called the Reaction. But appreciate it, dog. Drop some stars on my shit. I think I get paid for those. Yeah, really don't matter. I don't do this to do the social media thing to get paid. I get mines from out the mud, cuz. You feel me? I'm just trying to help people out. But if you want to donate, be my guest. But you got 12,000 views. That's crazy. Yeah, that channel. And I don't know where you watching from. Here's the YouTube. Ethical hacker warns, check your charger ASAP. Well, what's that? I know something's up with my charger. Check that out. Probably some hacker shit. What the hell? Like a little boozy. Yeah, but anyways, man, like I said, bro, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solution. Okay? If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe. Hit the bell, you know what I mean? Or, get the hell over to any one of my social media platforms or my Patreon. Or, if you're watching on Facebook, like drop some stars on that thing, hit the like button or whatever. You feel me? Because I'm not doing this. Yeah, I'm trading for the money and shit, but not doing the social media thing for the money. Like, I'm doing it to try to bring financial literacy to people, show you how to get you some money. You feel me? That's all, dog. You feel me? If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid to hit the like button at the very least, or whatever else. Anyways, holla at your boy. Bye.